The following Connecticut Experience presentation is part of the ongoing partnership between the Connecticut Humanities Council and Connecticut Public Television. Together, we're exploring Connecticut's rich history and culture.
Straddling the Connecticut River sits a valley, low and unassuming. A swath of land carved out by glaciers, which left layers of rich soil in their wake. This fertile region and its harvest sustained Native Americans for centuries. Among the valley's wild vegetation was a weed-like plant with large leaves. Local tribes used those leaves for their ancient tradition of pipe smoking. Later, the plant also seduced the colonists who settled in the area. Eventually, the one-of-a-kind Connecticut River Valley tobacco would become highly coveted. This unique tobacco would be used for a new product known as the cigar. Tobacco became one of the state's largest industries, shaping the economies and communities of central Connecticut. The industry of growing and harvesting the valley's tobacco needed countless workers. Local families toiled to cultivate the land. European immigrants pitched in. And soon, laborers came from as far away as the American South and the Caribbean. The conditions they faced sometimes became an issue of controversy. Many went on to settle major ethnic communities of the Hartford area and to provide much of the ethnic diversity that marks Connecticut today. The Connecticut Valley tobacco industry almost disappeared as cigars gave way to cigarettes. But a sudden increase in cigar smoking at the end of the 20th century has given the industry a new life. This is the story of the people and the area known as Connecticut's Tobacco Valley.